The Rode Wireless Go might be the very best wireless microphone that you can possibly get. Here's why, check this out. What's up guys, Million from Camera to Freedom. If you guys use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom yourself, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So I'm gonna go over through all the features that I personally like. It's not gonna be a full detailed tutorial video, but this is just so that you know exactly what you need to know as a wedding videographer, as an event videographer, as a person that makes YouTube videos and so on. These are the reasons why you would want this wireless mic. This is what I love about them. All right, first off, the size. Everything fits inside this tool bag. Now the first one, it comes with a charging case like this, and look how tiny this is. Everything fits in here. You got your transmitter, comes with 2 receivers, which I really love. Because when shooting weddings, you want to put a microphone on the groom and you also want to put a microphone on the officiant. Before wireless mics, it didn't really come with 2. I mean, like years back. I've been doing this for like over 25 years. So you would have to get multiple wireless mic connected to multiple devices. Kind of tedious, but now they make it where almost everything, most of the wireless mic nowadays comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. I love how small this is. And then the second case, it comes in this little bag that looks identical, but you get all the accessories that's in here that we're gonna go over in a bit. The fact that it's this small, this Rode Go comes with a metal back right here with a magnet. Now I love this. This has changed my videography game because when people are doing their speech, like during wedding ceremony, during the wedding reception, during like event where they're doing speeches on top, if I don't have time to go run and put the lapel mic on them, I just simply, with this mic, put it on the microphone itself. The cool thing about this magnet is that you could actually put it, just like how I'm doing right over here, you could put it behind his shirt and then attach it and it'll stick. So I would love in all of the wireless mic from now on because it is so useful. The accessories, all-in-one product right here. It comes with, of course, your 3.5 TRS cable that goes to your camera. It also comes with the ability to connect this to your iPhone, your Android, your computer. In case you want to use this with your phone videos, a lot of people are making content with their iPhones. It comes with a dead cat that could go on top of your transmitter, which is amazing for super windy days. Then you'll still get clear audio. And plus, with the lapel mics that they give you, on top of the fact that they give you this little phone cover right here, which does decent on windy days, the dead cat definitely does amazing on super windy days. So it does give you a little dead cat if you want to put that on top. This little lapel mic is the coolest lapel mic I have yet to see. First off, it connects to your transmitter. You twist to lock it in. So I absolutely love that. I've had before some of the smaller wireless mics, it's just plugged. You could easily just come off if somebody tugs on it a little too hard. The clip that it comes with is really neat. It has a little hook on the side, so that way when you put it on the shirt itself, you could twist it and put the wire onto that little hook. Twist it and then make the wires go into your shirt. So that's very cool and convenient and very tiny. This is so small, I feel like I'm gonna lose it, so I have to be careful. So sometimes during weddings, I will use this lapel mic, but there are times where I do feel kind of lazy. And I just go and plug this tiny thing into their pocket and I just clip it on and it does a decent job capturing their audio. So you have multiple ways of capturing audio. So that's very convenient to do. So LCD screens. The transmitters don't have any screen on it, but the receiver has a tiny little LCD screen. This shows you the volume level, if your connection is strong or not. So this wireless mic can also record internally 32-bit. It's been coming out this year with a handful of other devices, but 32-bit audio is kind of like raw photos. It captures so much information that if someone speaks too loud and your audio peaks, and then if someone speaks too low that you could barely hear it, you could recover the audio without changing it, without damaging the audio. So that is absolutely insane. Plug in your transmitter through USB-C. Download and open the Rode app. You can select 24-bit and it does a good job fixing the audio level. This is me speaking really close to the mic, loud, trying to distort the audio. Or you can keep it as 32-bit so you can do the editing in post. So this has a built-in internal battery that I really love, and this will last you about 7 hours. Since your case is also a charger, you could plug it back in and it'll give it a quick charge, and total it'll last about 21 hours before you have to charge your mic through this. There's a USB-C in the back. That's how you charge up your case and how you charge up your Rode wireless system right here. I have it set by having the back button button of your receiver that's on your camera. When I press it, you're gonna see a record red dot that appears, and it will automatically start recording internally. Just as backup, I always have it internally recording as well. You could set it up through the software to automatically start recording all the time, and just to be safe in case you do forget. And the cool thing about it is sometimes when I ask a client to send me some voiceovers, or if I need to do a voiceover on my videos, I could just record internally here. All you do is just press this little button on the top and you see the red button, and I can start recording my voice. Plug it to your computer, transfer the audio files, and send that or use that. That is so useful that a lot of the wireless mics are doing nowadays, recording internally. So another great feature that this has is that it has a gain control. It's kind of like an audio limiter. Some cameras have it. Attenuator, where if you speak too loud, it's going to stop from peaking too loud. So it's got all these safety features for you to get great audio. So I'm gonna have the link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much. So far this Rode Wireless Go has been the best wireless mic for my video business, for weddings and events, and this interview videos that I make. It's been very effective, very easy to use, and I highly recommend it. So I'm gonna put the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And leave a comment, just say what's up. Anything will help. Let's talk videography, and I will see you next time.